Hi everyone, my name is Aladdin and I'm with Amin at Ostorlab. In this tutorial, I'll show you in less than 3 minutes how to manage your tickets. So I would like to keep track of all of my tickets' vital information, such as who is assigned to work on a particular one, what's its status, is it fixed, has the fix been verified, is this an exception with accepted risk, etc., and its priority so that I can know how urgent a certain ticket needs to be fixed. So let's go to Remediation, Tickets, then choose a ticket. I would like to assign this ticket to Amin, so I'll click the Edit button and then assign it to him. I would also like to set the priority to P0 because this is a ticket that needs immediate attention. One other thing I can do is add tags to a ticket. So I'll add a tag called environment dev to flag this as an issue related to the development environment. I'll also add a tag bug UI because it's a bug related to the UI of my application. I'll click save and Amin should receive a notification letting him know that I assigned him a new ticket. Amin just assigned you P0. Can you please take a look?
Thanks. Indeed, I can see the ticket in my remediation dashboard. Let me go through the details and fix the issue. I am now done with the ticket. I just need to validate my fix. So I go to the ticket, click edit, and mark its status as fixed. Click save and run a verification scan to confirm whether or not my solution did in fact fix the vulnerability. The scan is launched. Once it is completed, the ticket is automatically flagged as fixed and verified. Perfect. We are done here. Thanks for your time. See you soon.